Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're going to talk about your Cowling Anti Chafe Tape. It comes in two varieties. Here's the cotton fiber. It's just a roll of tape that you can buy and then install it with contact cement, and then the critical rivets on the firewall section of it. But the other version that you have is this Teflon tape that goes on, and we ended up pulling that off and replacing it with this. It works a lot better, I think, in my opinion. But stand by while we get some pictures of the cowling going on in different various parts of the nose bowl. So here we are looking at the nose bowl, and this has already been contact cemented into place, and it runs up the entire nose bowl. I'm going to let that cure, and we're putting the contact cement on the firewall side, and of course the rivets will go at the top and the bottom to make sure it holds that arc. So there's not much to it. Let's go look at the other side. So here we are on the pilot side, and as you can see, it's just the nose bowl. The thing of it is, though, it's been masked off and it is clean, and that's the key to getting a good contact with the contact cement, is to make sure that your surface is good and clean. And it goes on both sides. It goes on the tape side and it goes on the nose bowl side. So stand by. And as you can see, it's just a matter of taking your time and applying a nice even bead of the contact cement to the tape in a well ventilated area, I might add. Alright, stand by. And as you can see, it's all masked off, and Matt just got through putting the contact cement on the nose bowl. Now he's gone over to the well ventilated other wing and gonna put the contact cement on the stripping, and that will be the anti-chafe tape installation. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Once again, it's just a matter of taking your time. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.